We're going to talk about subtitles in just a second, but I quickly want to go over how to download and import fonts because I get this question all the time. And having this as a separate section in this course means that you can quickly come back and replay this part whenever you need to install a new font. When it comes to which font to use, I typically use one called Mont or Montserrat, named after a small Caribbean island. Of course, you can use whatever font you want, and Google and Adobe have a huge selection of open source fonts that are available online to download and install. And installing them is super easy. After you've downloaded your chosen font, unzip the .zip folder and find the .otf or .ttf file. Once that's been clicked, the font will appear on screen, and you just have to hit that little install button up there. This will add the font to your computer's font library. Restart Premiere Pro if you're currently using it, and bajabah! You have a new font on your program. This is the same on Windows and Mac. Easy, right? Let's now talk about how to use your new font in the next section of the course.